friends, and welcome to my video of how to make easy toy weapons at home fast and easy. So today I will show you some weapons which I have made at home, and you can comment which one do you like the most. So let's begin. So this is a sword, really long. These are swords like Japanese katana. This is a two-layered sword, so it is also flexible and strong. While this is a four-layered sword, it is not flexible but it is very strong. You can see it makes noise on hitting. Okay, so we can move on to the next weapon. So where is the next weapon? So this is our triggered gun. It shoots rubber bands. I'll show you testing. These are the rubber bands. Take one. We can load this like this. You can see we have to load it like this and then shoot on this some clay. Okay, so we can see now the next weapon. These are the knuckles. These are very simple to make and only requires some tape and paper. We can wear it on our hands like this. The main thing is that these knuckles got their name because of this part on the finger. It is also called knuckles. So I have worn it. You can see it is a mark here, really strong. So now we can move on to the next weapon. This is a knuckle knife. It is also a little simple to make. We can wear it like this. It is made up of paper. We can punch it because of knuckles, and also there is a knife. You can see it cuts a little. There are cuts. So moving on to the next weapon, we have this double-sided knife made up of ice cream sticks. It is also a little simple to make. We can open it like this. It is a single-sided knife. See, so deep. And we can open this way also. So it is a double-sided knife. Oh, see, so deep cut. And then close it like this. Then next we have kunai, it is a Japanese word for ninja darts. These are some kunais. You can see these are very sharp and like some kind of throwing knife for ninjas. It is easy to make and ideal for children. deep mark. Now moving on to the next weapon. Next weapon are these karambit knives. So stylish and easy to make, and are strong as well. These are made of cardboard. Hey, it cut my half clay. Okay, these are two karambit knives. So let's move on further. This is, what do you think? A pen? No, a pen shooter. We remove the cap, take the refill out, get it here inside, and with the help of rubber band pull it back. Oh, nice hole. You can see. Like, we can put this in and screw the cap on. Then next weapon, what do you think it is? Knife? How folks imagined wrong. This is a double knife. You can see these are double knives and can be put easily and are portable, small, easy to handle. These are very nice and one of my favorite weapons. So next weapon, this is our mace. This mace is really awesome and I suggest you to make it, but please, I am warning you, don't hit someone with this because someone can get badly injured. It has toothpicks on it and really it is really dangerous. So don't hit someone with it. I suggest you to make it also. So next weapon, moving on to the main ninja weapon, shuriken. You know shuriken, we call these ninja stars also. Really simple to make now. We can also make this shuriken shooter. It is like ninja star gun. Let's test it. Take a ninja star, load it like this. Oh, the rubber band's broken. No. Sorry for the disturbance, but take it like this and attach it to this cloth pin. You can see its structure and it shoots with spinning. You saw it was spinning, really nice. So moving on to the next type of shuriken, it is this 3-pointed shuriken. We see it rarely, but it is a dangerous weapon really. This is made of paper and it's super simple to make. So the next weapon is this another type of shuriken. It is 4-knot shiny shuriken. It has, you can see it has 4 knots in the center. And is easy to make. This is also one of my favorite weapons which I made. So let's move on to the next weapon. This flip knife. You can imagine it is so dangerous, known as hidden blade also. Oh, you can see it. I suggest you to make this also. This is really awesome and not so time consuming. Hey, you thief, I will cut you in pieces. So the next weapon is this bow and arrow. Where is its arrow? This is its arrow. So let's test this. Take this arrow, load it on the bow. Oh, near miss. Okay, let's try again. We have 3 chances to go. Oh, mission successful. See, so deep hole. Let's fill it. I suggest this weapon to you. You should like it. So moving on to the next weapon. This. It is not really a weapon. It's a pickaxe used by miners. You have also seen it in Stick War Legacy. When the miners come, they take this tool for mining. This is really cool. But it was once used in wars also. When once ancient Greeks got out of weapons, they used this miner pickaxe for fighting. So, the last weapon is this spear. You can see how cool it looks. Its blade. In Greek language it is called dori. It is used by Indians also. It is known as bhala in Hindi. So these were my weapons. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe the video, and comment the weapon which you like the most, and let me know if you want to make any of these weapons. Please comment, and the weapon which will get most of the comments will be made. Thank you for watching.